Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xfinity Wi-Fi box. First, find your Xfinity Getting Started kit and carefully unbox it. Take a moment to confirm that all the necessary components, such as the gateway, power cord, and coaxial cable, are included. Also, make sure you have an accessible power outlet and a working coaxial cable wall connection nearby for a smooth setup process. Now let's connect the cables. First, securely attach one end of the coaxial cable to your wall outlet and the other end to the corresponding port on your Xfinity gateway. Next, plug the power cord into the gateway and then into a working electrical outlet. Once connected, allow a few minutes for the gateway to power on and for its indicator lights to become solid, which signals it's ready. With your gateway powered on, it's time for activation. The easiest way is to download the Xfinity app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and follow the simple, step-by-step instructions to activate your new service. If you prefer, you can also visit the Xfinity activation website on a computer or another device to complete the setup process there. After activation, you'll be prompted to personalize your Wi-Fi network. Choose a unique network name, also known as an SSID, and create a strong, secure password. Once saved, you can start connecting all your devices, like phones, tablets, and smart TVs, using your new Wi-Fi credentials. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy your high-speed Xfinity Internet service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.